If you're ready for your next motorhome, you really need to experience the world-class luxury of American Coach, now available at General RV. Hi, I'm Tom Bennett, your General RV motorhome specialist. The American Tradition by American Coach is the best riding motorhome in its category. Utilizing a 450 horsepower engine with a 3000 series Allison transmission, you have an independent front suspension, Freightliner's V-Ride rear axle, and then a steerable tag axle. It's the best riding motorhome on the market. Let's take a look inside. The Tradition truly is beautiful. Now this is a 42V, but the Tradition has floor plans ranging all the way from 37 to 45 feet. So before we dig in too much, I'd like to start up here. The dash you have on the American Coach products is just very well laid out. Right here in front of you, you have Freightliner's OptiView digital dash, which has readouts for your tire pressure monitoring, your collision mitigation, and adaptive cruise control systems. I can see on my left side over here, you have controls for both your hydraulic and your air leveling. And then right here in plain view, you have your two Excite dash panels there. So this gives you information such as your Mobileye collision avoidance system, your cameras, as well as your navigation and your radio, which with the Tradition, you have a custom tuned audio system as well. All right, so we move towards the back. Here in your living area, I can tell you it's very deep. You have a 3-seated couch on this side, which also has a pull-out bed. You can see the televator behind it right there, and then directly across, you have your theater seating set up with power footrest controls, as well as little USB outlets for you. And one thing I feel up here is that it's just very open. Lots of natural light coming in the coach. As we take a look at our dining area here, I can tell you there's lots of counter space. This will also pull out to seat 2 more, so you can have up to 4 at dinner. On your buffet table that you have here, there's also outlets on both sides, so if you ever need to plug something in. Also, there's storage behind your chairs. And something worth mentioning is you don't see any carpet here at all. The American Tradition has hydraulic slide systems, which allows for a perfectly flush floor. You can see how the tile connects right in as if it's not even there, and I think that's a very nice, very luxurious touch. Taking a look at the kitchen here, you have a really nice window in the back to overlook anything outside. Lots and lots of counter space, even with another pull out here to give you a little bit more. You also have your dishwasher just behind that, which has your little knock lock to access the panel there, so it doesn't have to get in the way too much as far as the decor goes. A very large farm-style sink here in the black stainless. I think that's a great touch as well. It's just a little bit more modern for what people typically like to see. And then under here, a great set of storage with built-in areas for your countertops with the induction cooktop, as well as what you have there with the sink. A nice convection microwave, that's a Whirlpool, and a lot of storage as you have looking around here. Moving towards the back, you have this great Samsung refrigerator, which has your ice and water on the door. And then a pull-out pantry here with some built-in storage racks. Directly across from that, you have your half bath. Pretty spacious for a half bath there with a lot of counter space. And then right here you have your multiplex control panel for the whole RV. So this Firefly here allows you to control everything from your generator, inverter, power system to your lights. Your blinds are all power blinds in this motorhome as well. And it also has an app that you can hook up to control this from anywhere. From 1,000 miles away, you can adjust your AC system on the American Tradition. Moving into the bedroom, you have a residential king-size bed here with your sleep number controls on either side. You also have power outlets and USB outlets on both sides of the motorhome. Across from your bed, you have 2 full-length storage cabinets and a total of 10 drawers here, which are pretty deep, and then they all have this comfortable lock system right there. Behind this, you have an additional set of storage with also a built-in safe. Now, one of the most unique things about this floor plan is the bathroom that you have in the back. For a relatively short tag axle coach at 42 feet, it gives you a wonderful bathroom space back here. There's a good amount of storage here on the side. You have a stackable washer dryer, which is all Whirlpool too, which is a pretty good brand for this. And then a very large full tiled shower. You can see it has a built-in seat, all tiled out and just wonderfully decorated. Just behind that, dual vanities with a ton of storage on both sides there. So this is a coach that would work great for a full-time owner or just somebody that wants to have their things with them. Thank you for joining me for a first look at the American Tradition 42V, made for those who expect the best. To find out more about the Tradition and get up close and personal, visit us at one of our family-owned supercenters that we have all across the nation, or visit us at our website, generalrv.com. Until next time, I'm Tom Bennett, motorhome specialist at General RV. See you down the road.